Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Ashu Talks. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about job opportunity from Hexaware. So Hexaware are hiring a graduate trainee for a graduate trainee role. So you can see on the screen number of position available are 100. So many of you having chances of getting selected, and you can see the location of the job, Hexaware offices in India. So wherever Hexaware offices are located, you can get a job there. And we see the benefits like compensation. If you join for a first year, you will get 19,000 rupees per month as a stipend, and after 1 year you will get 21 rupees for the second year. So this is the stipend according to year. And as you work 2 year regularly, from third year you will be selected as an employee. As you can see, you will be absorbed as an employee in the third year. So third year you will be selected as an employee of Hexaware company. So here we can see desired candidate profile, what is the eligibility criteria. So here in this, if you work with Hexaware, you will get an opportunity to pursue postgraduate MTech degree from a premium university in India. So it is an amazing opportunity for you all to pursue MTech degree, which will be fully sponsored by Hexaware. So you can see while working with Hexaware, you will get a you will get to pursue post graduation degree, that is MTech, and that will be fully sponsored. So it is an amazing opportunity. Everyone should grab this opportunity. And here we can see eligibility criteria. If you are graduating in 2021 with BCA or BSc degree, either in computer science or electronic or statistic or mathematics. So if you are 2021 graduate with BCA and BSc degree, so you can apply for it, and there should be no active backlog. You can see here there would be no active backlog, and computer programming as a subject in one semester is necessary. So if you are pursuing or if you are graduating in 2021 with BCA or BSc degree, there must be a computer programming degree in a semester, so it will be okay. And second eligibility criteria is your aggregate score will be more than 60%. So 60% is the minimum qualification you need to apply for this. And you can see 60% or 6 CGPA in 10th and 12th. So your 10th and 12th percentage score should be more than 60%, not less than 60%. So here you can see, and math subject in 12th class is mandatory. You can see you should have studied maths as a subject in 12th class. So this is also a mandatory. And additionally, you will be a high energy individual with a good communication skill. Your energy level should be high all time, and you should have a good communication skill like fluency in spoken and written English. Your written English and your speaking English, oral English must be good. Have the right attitude and flexibility to adapt changing needs. So you should have a right attitude and flexibility to adapt to the changes. And this is a service agreement. You can see on joining Hexaware, you need to sign a trainee service agreement. So it is an agreement base of 60 months. You have to work with Hexaware for 60 months, and this is an amazing opportunity. You can see you will get a good stipend, and if you work for more than 2 years, you will be absorbed as employee. So this is an amazing opportunity. You should go for it. And here you can see selection process. First of all, there will be an online aptitude and English proficiency assessment. So this is the first step you can see. And second step is behavior, learning agility assessment and non-elimination round. Here you can see, here they will check your behavior, and learning agility assessment will be there. And this selection process, this round will be non-elimination round. And the third round and the final round is technical and HR interview. So in third round there will be an interview, and in first round they will check your English proficiency and online aptitude. So this will be the selection process. You can see a video provided by Hexaware corporate overview. So you can go and watch it, and you can apply for this job. So it is an amazing opportunity for all. So you can apply. If you are 2021 graduate from BCA or BSc, you must apply for this job. So today's video is over now. Thank you.